Hey y'all, it's Peryn, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Fire and Desire inspired tutorial. The inspiration that I got was off Pinterest, and it's from this girl. They didn't tag her ad name, so it was kind of hard for me to find who she was so that I could actually tag her, but as you can see, it's very pretty. It might be a bit complicated to some people, but it's almost really easy to me, because I can just look at it and tell how she did it. Before I get started, I just want to point out, if it looks like I'm dead, I probably am. For primer, I'm going to be using this. It's my LA Pro Curl Concealer. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom y'all in for the rest of this tutorial. So to outline the image, the fire image, I'm going to be using the ColourPop gel liner, and it's a nude color. Let me see if I can zoom it in again. The words are so tiny, like I don't even know if y'all can read it. And I'm just going to fast forward the rest. The palette I'm going to be using is from the Beauty Bay Bright Matte. I've been using this for about 2 years now, and it still holds up. So yeah, see, this is a very time consuming look, so I'm going to be using the M321 brush, and it's like a round, small, fluffy brush. And yeah. is pretty much it for now. I'm gonna go pop on some lashes and then put on some black liner, and then I'll be back. Okay y'all, so that's the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this Fire and Desire sunset inspired tutorial, then please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see y'all in my next video.